What's up everybody and good morning. It's already almost 10 a.m. No, actually it's 9:15 and we are on our way to the place where we are doing our hike today. I'm filming this on the GoPro Hero 8 because on the two last hiking videos that I did, I actually noticed that the microphone on the GoPro Hero 8 is really awesome. I don't even need the media mode for it, so this is why I'm filming this part with this camera, but I've got the other camera for the more cinematic footage. Now we are driving for about 1.5 hours until we reach our hiking spot, and then the hike will last about 8 hours. No, just 4 hours, 8 kilometers, really easy, really dark right now, but see you there. Right, so as you've seen, the weather has turned from bad to worse on our way. Actually, it was really good back home, but
it was sunny actually.
It was really sunny and warm, pretty warm, but here it's cold. It's actually snowing a little bit, and if you look up the mountains, it's really full of snow up there, and we still have to go up a little bit, or we would have to go up a little bit. So we decided to not go on the hike that we intended to do today. We'll be going on a little road trip instead, and maybe we'll find a nice place where the weather is a little bit better, and then we can take a little walk around there, maybe by a lake or something beautiful like that. So see you there. So yeah, we decided against our hike, but I guess we found this little lake. Well, actually we are traveling to the end of the world, or basically the end of Switzerland, which is a peninsula somewhere by the Four Cantons Lake, however that's called in English. That's actually a very important site for Swiss history. It's where historically Switzerland was first established. Anyways, doesn't matter. On the way over there we saw this little lake down here, and well, from up here it doesn't look that good, but it's really still and calm, and it really reflects the mountains around it beautifully. So we hope to take some nice photos from down there. Alright, it really is beautiful here. Alright, so I just ran out of batteries on my GoPro, and I was actually saying that it really is beautiful, this little lake and the reflection. I really liked it. I think I got to shoot a few nice photos here, and now that I don't have any battery left on the GoPro, I think this is where I will be ending my video. Maybe I will be recording something else later on, but I won't be saying anything else, so see you next time. Bye bye.